Hello, my name is Sylwester. I work for Veeam. I'm taking care about some marketing for Poland, Baltics, and also Adriatic countries. I do realize that I'm the last obstacle between you and your lunch, so I will try my best to cut this presentation and let you go. So, we've gathered here today to talk about the virtualization, and actually, the virtualization is the core of our business. What we do in Veeam is that we create products dedicated for the virtualization. It means that when the Veeam was founded, it didn't came from the old type of backup and replication, I mean the hardware-based. This solution is created especially for virtualization, and that means that it can use all the advantages of virtualization. And I hope that in this short time I can show you all the good things that comes with Veeam. How it come that we are, I believe I can say that we are quite successful with what we're doing. It comes that the first thing that is very important for us is research and development. Our R&D department is, I would say, as big as the marketing, sales and marketing altogether. So we are really taking care that our products are really well developed and tested before they are sent to public. Financial foundation and impressive customer growth, okay, everyone will tell you the same. But let's look for the numbers. Veeam software has been founded in 2008, and up to now we have more than 50,000 customers worldwide. We are protecting over 7 million virtual machines in the world, and we have right now it's almost 200 customers from the Fortune 500 list. So I would say that it's quite fine. A little bit about numbers, but I will just skip that. It's not important. What is important is our products. Why I say that we are dedicated to virtualization. The product is dedicated to virtualization, and it uses all the virtualization's advantages. What I mean? For example, flexibility. Why you are using virtualization? It's affordable, but gives you excellent flexibility. It means that you can run another 200 or 300 computers just like this, or maybe a bit longer, but something like that. And our products are created just to fit your needs. It means that we have the essential level, the lower one, for companies that are really starting their business. It's very affordable, but still you can protect your virtual machines. Then there's our core business, I mean backup and replication, and we have backup management suite that is dedicated for huge enterprises, a lot of cores, thousands of virtual machines. You can choose the solution which suits to your needs. And the good thing is that it's created for virtualization, and it means that it's agentless. We are not interested if you are running 2 virtual machines or are you running 5,000 virtual machines. For us and for our licensing, it's important how many sockets do you have in your server. And this is the price. We are pricing for socket. You can run 2 virtual machines on this socket. You can run 15. Doesn't matter. You pay the same price per 1 socket. And what you can choose from our products, it's backup and replication. This is our core product. And the another one, which is dedicated for management and I would say management, yeah. You can view all your virtual machines, check your weak points, I mean. So it's integrating, of course, with the VMware solution. So you have the same information like in the VMware console, but additional information about backup, about our proxies as well. Okay. What differentiates us from our competitors is what I already said. Traditional backup puts an agent in each virtual machine. And it means that if you run another virtual machine, you have to buy another license, then you have to install this agent into this virtual machine, and it's complicated, it takes your time, and you have to pay for this. In our solution, you pay the price for socket, and you forget about it. You can run another machine anytime you want. Storage requirements are significant, and it's the problem of all of us. I believe that's why in our backup solution there's the compression and the duplication is already implemented. So it means that your backup is saved into one single file, and that file is zipped and deduplicated. Backup and restore time is slow. This is also the problem, but this is only the problem for our competitors' solution. Because with Veeam backup and replication, if your virtual machine fails down, you can restore this virtual machine in around 2 minutes, directly from your backup file. Simple as that. Recoverability is not guaranteed. Of course, it's not, but it is with our solution. One of the key points of this backup and replication is that the software checks the integrity of your backup file. Not only we are checking the integrity, of course, but our solution checks if your backup file is ready to be recovered. So our software checks if your backup file can be restored, your virtual machines can be restored, and if your single file in your virtual machines are restored. So if you run a backup and save a backup file created with Veeam backup and replication, you're 100% sure that in case of problems, you can run your virtual machine in 2 minutes from your backup file. And I believe that you agree with me that it's quite important. And other solutions are expensive to maintain. Our is simple. The GUI is really simple. It's very easy to install. Then you simply run a scheduler, and I'd say that you forgot about it. Only if there's any problem, you get the report, and that's it. Okay, so what are the good things about our product? It's built for virtualization. So all the stuff that I told you on the before slide before, showing that the Veeam backup and replication is created for the virtualization. So it has no luggage taken from the solution created for hardware. So it's easy, it's affordable, it's powerful, and it's really, really very easy to use. I would say that each 18-year-old could use it. It's really simple. Okay. Another slide to just to compare Veeam solution and other solutions. So with Veeam, you have 100% reliability of your backups. And it's checked. After each backup, the file is checked if it's really recoverable. Then, if there is a disaster, in competitor solutions, you have to spend some time to recover this virtual machine, this file, spend a lot of times. In our solution, and actually, if you go to our website and check our webinars, there are also the demos when our engineers are running the backup from the backup file, and it takes up to 2 minutes. and your virtual machine is working again. Another thing, I didn't say it yet, you can recover individual application items from your single zipped and deduplicated file. It means that not only you can restore your virtual machine, but you can browse the content of your backup and pick single files from there. And it's not only files. For example, it's integrated also with the Exchange. And it means that if you have a backup with the Exchange server, you can pick single emails, single contacts, right from your backup file. You don't need to restore it to get all the data. You can pick what you need. Recover individual guest files, of course, any system. It doesn't matter for us what system is used. You can create a sandbox with our solution, and it's included. You don't need to pay additionally for that. It's something that it's in this software already. So anytime you can create yourself the test. Test what? I forgot the word. Thank you. That's very good. It means that someone is listening. Thank you. You can create test environment in a few minutes. Just click, I need a test environment the same as I am using here for production. And you can, in this sandbox, you can run an update and check everything if everything works. And that's easy as that. You don't need additional hardware, you don't need additional software, you don't need additional time. It's just clicking. And of course, replication, deduplication, centralized management, it's all inside. To be honest, when you buy Veeam backup and replication solution, you have all included. You can only ask for this Veeam ONE to have it integrated, integrated management. There's something, some history of our solution. As you can see, each version gives and brings something really new and really interesting. Right now we are on the edge of, in few weeks, to be honest, in few weeks we will release version 7. And as some of you may know, there will be some interesting features that weren't included before. The most important for now, I believe, would be the tapes. Everyone asks about the tapes, and in version 7, the tapes will be supported at last. Of course, you can send your backups to the cloud, and I say of course, it's not so obvious for everyone, it's obvious for us. If your environment has the cloud solution for backup, you can send your backup file to the cloud, of course, and Veeam supports, I would say, all important cloud solution companies. And of course, if you have your own solution for cloud, you can also configure the software to use your server. And licensing options, it's really easy. As I said, you only have to decide if you need regular one or cloud edition, and then you have to decide how many sockets you have. And what's good, if you buy the license for socket, in the price of a license you get also the 1 year technical support included. So it's already in price, and the price is really attractive, I would say. And then after 1 year, your license is still there, and you can decide to renew subscription for the maintenance, but it's your decision. If you feel confident with this software already and you think that you don't need support for another year, it's up to you. You don't need to buy this subscription. You still can use the software. If you like, you can do it, of course. And And the another thing is this Veeam ONE. Veeam ONE is software dedicated for managing your virtual environment. It's a standalone program that integrates with VMware vSphere, and it's powerful, affordable, easy to use, of course, but what I like, especially in this software, is that it's business-oriented. It means that you get the view of business of your company. So, of course, you can see physical servers and what is on that. But the main view is business-oriented. It means that you have your office in one city, and it's a tree, then you get your virtual machines there. The another tree branch is your office in the another city, and another sub-branch is, I don't know, HR department, another is accounting department, and if you go through that structure, it's done like this. It's the business-oriented. It's not like if you need to find some file in one virtual machine, you have to guess and remember in which server it was installed and then browse to find it. In one, you have the business view, which is very easy. Okay. And it's multi-platform support. I believe I should skip this slide. You can decide also to choose Veeam Backup Management Suite, and this is the solution for the companies that have really big environment and need such solution where Veeam Backup and Replication and ONE are combined into one solution. So if you really need it, if your environment is complicated, then you can decide to get this kind of license. And the last one, the easiest, is the Veeam Essentials for small companies. This is available in 2 socket bundles. So you can buy one license for 2 sockets, 2 physical sockets on your server. And it's very easy to install, very easy to use, and it's very, well, I would say cheap. It's really cheap. For this is essential, we are not pricing too high, because in our opinion, a small company needs help to grow, and that's our idea. Give our customers affordable, essential solutions, and then wait when up to time where this company grows. Then we will sell them, of course, management suite, why not? Enterprise Plus, hopefully. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, that's another slide I should skip. I'm sorry. Veeam Management Pack for VMware. Good thing is that it's really integrated with VMware software. It's not something that you install additionally and you have to always have 2 windows open to see everything. When you install Management Pack, Veeam Management Pack, you can get all the informations that you could get from VMware software inside our window. And of course we have a lot of free products that each company has that if some of you don't yet use our backup, I would suggest to visit our website and download, maybe not a free edition because it's not the full, it doesn't give you the full capabilities of regular product, but you can download the trial version. And trial version is the regular one, but it's only for 30 days. So you can check every aspect of this software. And then if you decide that it's something you would like to use, you simply buy a license, put a license key, and it works. You don't need to install it again and configure schedules and so on. And that's something what our customers are saying about us. And that's exactly true. I really advise you to install our trial version and check that it's really so easy and so good. And that would be it. Enjoy your meal. If you will have any additional questions, I invite you to our table. And if you are interested in some more details on how our solution works, after lunch there will be presentation of backup and replication software in the beta conference room, I believe. Thank you.